Hey you guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. I'm gonna be doing a Boxycharm unboxing and get ready with me. So we're gonna jump into all these goodies we got in this box, and I'm gonna read the pamphlet that they gave me and describe what type of items that I have, and we're gonna do a fall makeup look using the items that they sent me. Right? So here's the little pamphlet that they sent me. Stellar. They got Dragon Beauty, all that going on, all that jazz. And y'all already seen the box. This is the box. And all our goodies. I'm gonna hold each thing up individually so you guys can see it. So first we're gonna start off with the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. The Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigment shadows and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shadows for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmetic story and bring the universe to life. Oh, it said cosmic. The Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics Palette. Ooh, look at this. Your girl about to get down on this. Y'all gonna have fun with this tutorial. Okay. So it says the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. Okay. Now let's see how pigmented they really are. We're gonna go in with the Lucid Dream first. Oh, okay. The Cosmic Storm. Oh. I want to try this Black Matter. This looks sparkly. Ooh, can you see it? It's sparkly. And the Electric Light. That's cute too. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm ready to use these. Fireball is lit too. Fireball. We're gonna try them on. Let's head to the next one. The next one is the Cypress, something like that. Cypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Let's see, where is that at? I don't know how to pronounce this, so forgive me. Cypress. Can you see it? My light's so bright. Oh, look, you seen it. There you go. Pew! Now let's take it out of the box. This is how the bottle looks. Y'all, I don't know what this is. Apply several drops of the antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night. It's like a white texture. We're gonna get into it once I start doing my face because I'm gonna put it in there. So it said the antioxidant dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all the prices. So this Thunder eyeshadow palette was $35. This antioxidant dew is $90. I'm gonna put that all over my face. Okay. Now, mind you, this whole box is like $25, okay? And you already seen we went past that with just 2 items that's in the box. So y'all got to get it, okay? So our next thing that's in the box is Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. And that will be this right here in the color Date Night. I wish I had a date or whatever. This is the color. Ooh. Y'all get happy when I get makeup. Yeah. I can't wait to use it. I don't know where I'm gonna go. So, Liquid Matte Lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. And the price on this is $18 for just this. Okay. I'm gonna put it on my hand so y'all can see. Okay, before I was rudely interrupted. I mean, I hate when people try to call me while I'm doing a YouTube video. Anyways, the Dose of Colors in Date Night, this is how it looks. It's like red. I guess that's why it's called Date Night. You put your red lipstick on when you're trying to snatch them. So next we have the Vita Mask Morning and Evening Eye Mask. So let's see what it's at. That probably will be these two. It says, oh, it's the eye mask set. So the morning mask is a cooling eye mask to brighten and depuff, infused with anti-pollen and anti-blue light protection. This eye mask is ideal for those on the go. The evening mask, I guess this is the night one, is an ultra eye relaxing mask that is made to aid in repairing the delicate eye area, to smooth fine lines, made with centella and hyaluronic acid. This mask is the perfect companion to your nightly routine, and they are $12. So this is a good price for this. Everything is a little on the, I mean, everything is cool. I guess this like, ooh, $90. I wouldn't have got this, but thank God it came to me. So lastly, we have, yes, I'm still going. Lastly, we have a Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Let's show you the brushes. They came in like a little pouch. Ooh. Your girl is gonna be blending for dear filth. This look like pony hair. Okay, it said create your favorite look in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free for $35. Two brush, $35. And I thought it was pony hair, but I guess it's fake pony hair, because we cruelty-free over here. Well, I can feel it now. I feel like a couch. Oh, this is gonna be good on my face. I can't wait to use it. So let's start into making a whole November look using this Boxycharm. Oh, I ain't even show y'all. I also got a Beckett Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, like try-on palette or something like that. I guess they want to see if you like it or whatever, so they just sent this with the little testies. Like, you literally just get a test. That's all you get. So let's start into this makeup look. So first I'm gonna start off with, I'm gonna set my face. I like using this Miss Microfine Primer Setting Spray. Y'all know I like this. I'm gonna moisturize with the Dr. Bandit Hydrobiotic Recovery Mask. Just put a little bit. My face is a little dirty. A little dirty. I ain't been like doing a whole bunch of masks and stuff. I've been in my little mood or whatever. So I ain't been keeping up with my face routine. So I'm gonna use this Cypress or Cypress, however you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. The antioxidant dew. This is that $90 John right there. I'm gonna use this. Put it in my face. It's a little weird. Don't judge me. Oh. Oh, you can tell this is $90. This feel like, oh, this is velvety. Oh, they ain't playing. They not playing. Oh. Oh. My face feels real primed right now. So before I use the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna set my eyes with, so I got a Smashbox Studio Fix 24-hour longwear, like a little tester. Probably came in a Boxycharm box. But I'm gonna use this to set my eye, cause I ain't got time to look for no paint pot. I'm gonna use my eyeshadow blending brush and just put this all over my lid. These little hairs getting on my nerves. Okay, now that I set my eyelids, I'm gonna go into the Siesta Thunder palette. And since it's date night, what am I gonna do? Because I know I need to use this red lipstick. Okay, so I'm gonna use this date night red lipstick. And I'm gonna go with Lunar Eclipse to do my transition. Put that all into my transition. And then I'm just blending out the line. Okay. So now I'm gonna find a smaller blending brush. And I was trying to find a name, but I can't find a name on here. Yes, y'all better not judge, okay? So I'm gonna use the Storm Dust. That's this one, just to darken out the outer corners a little bit, just so I can have a good transition. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I know you see it. This palette got some really nice shades, and I love the way that it blends. Like, I'm not even halfway done and it looks really nice. It melts like butter. And I got this whole box, all of this stuff for like $25. You can't beat it. So my next color I'm gonna use is Black Matter, because you know it's date night. And Black Lives Matter. Y'all seen all of this going on in Atlanta? I'm in Atlanta, so y'all seen all of this going on with sex trafficking and stuff like that. It's like a really scary time here. Like, you can't even be out by yourself. I got a 19-year-old little sister. Like, it's dangerous. Like, you think about stuff like that, like, wow, they really snatching up girls. It's a sad, sad thing. I don't understand why. I don't understand how people can do that for a living. I can't even imagine snatching somebody up and giving them to a predator and knowing that people is getting paid to have. Listen, I don't even want to talk about it. So I'm gonna go in with the Black Matter. And I'm gonna put it over my lid. Oh, see that? That's so pretty. So now that I cover my lid with black matter, I'm gonna go in with zero gravity just to do my outer corners. Give it a good transition. And I'm gonna go and blend the top out. Pretty. Okay. So before I work on my under eye with the rest of the palette, I can't wait to use these babies for my foundation. Okay. So this is the foundation brush. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty on this baby right here. Let's see how good it works. Smell like a Cabbage Patch doll. It's a little too hard for me. I need something that I can move and work with. Feel like this is it'll probably be a good foundation brush or something. Not foundation, but it'll be a good contour brush. Okay, so then I'm gonna use my concealer. I'm gonna use my regular brush for the concealer because I don't know about that. Y'all look at this side and look at that side. I look tired on this side. I look cunty on that side, okay? It's winter time. My skin a little dry, so I'm gonna wet it up a bit. So now I look like Casper the Ghost. It's time to go in even further and set that baby. So this is mellowing it out. I was looking a little crazy. I'm gonna go back to the palette and do my under eye. I think I'm gonna use Lucid Dream. That's like the closest to red, so I'm gonna use that. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna take the lunar eclipse that I used on my top lid, and I'm gonna blend that out on underneath the Lucid Dream. And then go and blend that mug out. I don't like the way this brush is making my foundation clam up. It's not cool. Sorry, Boxycharm. That brush is not the business. I don't know, maybe I need to get used to it. So I'm gonna do a light contour with my Sephora face palette. I hate when I put foundation on my lace. No. Now I'm gonna have to clean it. But only for you guys. That's so warm, my face up. I'm gonna contour my nose now. said I was gonna use this to contour, didn't I? Well, let's go see what it, let's see what it look like. I'm gonna just go back over. See, I think it worked better as a contour. Maybe a contour. Maybe it's a little harsh. Maybe, I don't know. I would use it as a contour, then I just go and blend it out, I guess. And then I'm going to contour my lips with, you want to say hey to my YouTube?
Hey.
Come in. This is my son, DJ. DJ, say hey.
Hello.
How old are you?
7.
And you a gamer?
Yeah.
You ain't even in the camera, DJ.
And you're 7 and I'm a gamer.
Nobody heard what you said.
I am 7 and I'm a gamer.
You a gamer? So we gotta do a YouTube channel showing DJ gaming skills, right?
Yeah.
All right. Shut my door. Okay. Now I'm back with the bold brown lip liner for my date night. Date night. What is it called? I don't know. Oh, I ain't even like put no highlighter or anything on. I'm tripping. That's the best part. Let me go back. Put some glow. I'm gonna use Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm using golden bronze in my tear duct. My brow line. Keep it slow. So now we did the highlight. It's time to add the dose of colors. Lipstick and date night. Ooh, child. All these colors, I'm gonna ran him off. I like the way this look though. This is cute. I'm through Boxycharm. So I'm gonna set my face again. Then I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom line, my bottom lash line. And there you have it, my Boxycharm date night look November unboxing.